Welcome along to All About the Aircraft, and this time we look at the Fairchild Republic A-10 Thunderbolt II. Nicknamed the Warthog, the A-10 Thunderbolt II was the first US Air Force jet design for close support of ground forces, and it certainly packed a mighty punch with its integrated Gatling gun, one of the most powerful aircraft cannons ever flown. It weighed as much as a Volkswagen Beetle and fired large depleted uranium armor-piercing shells at a rate of about 3,900 rounds per minute, making short work of tanks and other ground targets. The pilot, he was enclosed in a titanium bathtub, and the engines were on either side of the rear fuselage to minimize the chance of both engines suffering damage. The first operational unit received Warthogs in 1977, and since they have proved their worth many times. Production ceased in 1983, but the A-10's forward air control variant was developed to direct jets attacking ground targets. Thunderbolt IIs are still providing valuable service. The aircraft, well, that's powered by two General Electric TF34-100A turbofans. It's got a wingspan of 57 feet 6 inches. It's got a length of 53 feet 4 inches and a maximum speed of 420 miles an hour. The range is 800 miles and it accommodates one pilot, and it was first flown over 50 years ago. The first flight was on the 10th of May 1972.
But now the jet from the A-10 squadron at the Spangdahlem Air Base in Germany getting airborne the A-10C Thunderbolt II.
The northwest of ours just saw the mouth rifle. Go ahead. So same issue as yesterday. You're going to try for about 3 minutes to fix it.
Okay, what's the nature of the problem?
What we're about to see is truly something.
Stability augmentation. It's electrical in nature.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Weather cleared up perfectly for it.
Yeah, horrible.
Captain Shutterly and the A-10. Now with Captain Shutterly pointing the A-10 straight into the bird, demonstrating the Warthog's power and maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Captain Shutterly is now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the show line where he will perform a double aileron roll and show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the Hog's rapid roll capability by rolling his 35,000-pound aircraft at 200 degrees per second. Captain Shutterly is repositioning the A-10 for a slow roll along the show line to demonstrate the Hog's precise handling characteristics. As he rolls, you will notice a faint canopy painted on the belly of the aircraft directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the Warthog's direction of turn, while concealing a titanium armor barrier that protects the pilot and cockpit from enemy ground troops. Now, from your right, the classic aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission. Twisting and turning over the battlefield, the Warthog can deliver devastating firepower, destroying targets in close proximity to friendly ground forces. In its arsenal are a wide variety of modern weapons, including J-10, and AIM-9 air-to-air missiles. All of these weapons have been used to attack enemy forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, and Afghanistan. The A-10's two TF-34 turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance. They're also smokeless and much quieter than comparable engines. This makes the airplane much more The Hog's engines are also extremely fuel efficient, enabling it to fly more than 2,000. From your left, Captain Shutterly and the high G-turn. driver. On the battlefield, this capability enables the Warthog to turn quickly and evade enemy air defenses. Captain
A-10s just like this one are providing close air support to coalition forces supporting today's joint fight. I'm honored to demonstrate how checked out on somebody.
Engage with the enemy. These forces usually include an Air Force joint tax.
That's probably what they've done. Coming into land, right? Might get a good photo of those down.
Captain Shetley then rolling out in the A-10C, the aircraft borrowed for the occasion from the 81st Fighter Squadron at Spangdahlem Air Base in Germany.
Right then, see another aircraft with the nose boat. That's the Royal Air Force 4, which will take off and then go and hold before coming in for her display, flown this year by Flight Lieutenant Jules Fleming.
Before that, we've got our contribution from the French Air Force in the shape of the Rafale C.